In our last video, we showed you the engine. Today, we show you the cockpit. This is the GitRepo Inspector ecosystem, a complete autonomous solution for managing GitHub repositories. Let's break down the architecture. Our foundation is the MCP server. Think of it as the powerhouse. It's hosted on a Hugging Face space and powered by the Gradio framework's built-in MCP functionality. It provides all the core AI tools. Next, we have the autonomous heart of the system, the workflow agent. This is the tireless 24/7 worker. It's a dedicated agent deployed on Blacksol's agent service. To keep it running, a simple cron job, also hosted on Blacksol, triggers it on a schedule. This ensures our system is always analyzing. Finally, the command center, our dashboard application. This is where humans and AI collaborate. It's a Gradio app hosted on Hugging Face spaces and features our AI assistant, which is built with small agents. And what connects all of these components? The PostgreSQL database. It acts as the shared state for the entire ecosystem, the single source of truth that all three applications read from and write to. Now, a key question is, why do we have two different agents? It's because we designed a hybrid agentic architecture. We use a workflow agent for the heavy, repetitive work of mass triaging. This ensures consistency and cost efficiency at scale. And we use a planning agent in the dashboard for flexible, deep investigation. This puts a human in the loop who can converse directly with the data. This architecture delivers the best of both worlds, powerful automation and intelligent collaboration. Now, let's see it in action. Welcome to the GitRepo Inspector dashboard. First, let's look at the controls. On the left sidebar, you can configure the entire experience. You can manually sync the repository to fetch the latest data, and select the AI provider and model for any manual actions you perform in the UI. Now, to the main view. At a glance, you see the health of your repository. Our analytics panels show the real-time impact of the AI. The distribution chart shows the AI's verdict for each issue. The efficiency funnel visualizes how we filter out noise to find actionable items. And the timeline shows the agent's recent activity. These charts are populated by our autonomous agent. And down here, in the bottom bar, you can see its live activity. These are the real-time logs from the workflow agent running on Blacksol. You are literally watching the background automation as it happens. The table above lists all open issues. But the real power is this filter. By clicking Action Required, the interface instantly shows what needs human attention. Let's dive into a specific issue. Selecting an issue loads the analysis panel. Here, we see the full report generated by our AI. And this isn't a black box. We can expand to review the agent's entire thought process. This builds trust and transparency. The AI suggests closing this issue as it appears to be resolved. To approve this review, you must provide your GitHub token with write access to the repository in the left sidebar. And with a single click on Approve Action, the job is done. The issue will be closed directly on GitHub. This is automation with human oversight. But what if you have a specific question? Meet our AI assistant built with small agents and connected to our MCP server. Let's ask, what's up with issue 12021? The agent uses the GetIssueReport tool to fetch the latest summary. Now for a more complex query, list unresolved issues about chatbot. It uses the Search Issues tool to intelligently query the database. Finally, let's trigger a live action. Check issue number 12021 using the OpenAI provider and model GPT-4o. The assistant called the Trigger Live Analysis tool from our MCP server. The new report was automatically displayed. And just like our manual view, you can expand the accordion to see the agent's full thought process. Full transparency everywhere. Beyond single issues, the dashboard also helps with high-level strategy. On the Prioritize tab, the AI acts as a product manager. With one click, it analyzes the entire backlog to generate a strategic report, telling you exactly what to focus on next. And you can even print this report for your team meetings. This is MCP in action. The GitRepo inspector is more than a tool. It's a complete, enterprise-ready system. It combines autonomous background processing with an intelligent, interactive front end. It saves countless hours for maintainers. And it makes open source management sustainable. Thank you for watching.